talk outside.
No, they not gonna sign it. I just need a signature. I just need a signature. I just need a signature, and I can.
From shouting to threats, Warren Barr descended into chaos. Police stormed in, and one staff member walked away with assault charges and a lifetime ban.
What's the issue? What's she getting out about?
Yes, a disgruntled agency employee who was refusing to leave, who was irate.
Ushana was identified as the suspect in this video.
All I'm asking the supervisor is to sign my paper for me, please. I'm knowing they want me to leave.
That's okay.
I'm ready to go.
You to another level.
Police attempted to restrain her, but she didn't respond. It appeared she was experiencing a panic attack.
All I'm asking the supervisor is to sign my paper for me, please. I'm knowing they want me to leave.
That's okay.
I'm ready to go.
You to another level.
Law enforcement urged her to step outside to ease the situation, but she refused to respond.
Here, come on outside.
Oh my God.
Come on outside.
Don't get the whole. They're not trying to pay me for my shift. I've been here since 6 in the morning. I just want to get back. Oh, look,
So
please.
is this the only way?
Yes, this is the only way. For one of them to Saturday, I just want to go.
Yeah, but you're screaming at me, and I can't process what's actually
Please, okay, I'm
happening
sorry.
because there's too much.
Okay, I'm sorry, but can you please just ask
I'm
him?
not trying to remove
Can you
you
please
in an
just, all I
aggressive way.
need is for him to sign my
Who's your
paper.
supervisor?
There's a whole bunch of people here. No, I want y'all to sign it so I can go.
I can't.
No, I just want y'all to
Ma'am,
sign it.
I can't
No,
hear.
because he's not listening. I just want
You're
somebody
not
to sign my paper,
You're
bro.
not listening.
Can you sign my paper? No, just put your name and sign
Maria
it.
is going to
You just
listen
need to
if you're-
sign. Why are you touching me?
Because you're not listening,
Can you
and they're
please
asking
sign
you to go.
this?
Again, I need
Can you please? Why are you touching my phone?
You're telling me to
Please,
touch your phone.
I'm asking you to have them sign my
I'm
paper.
not
Like,
having them do anything.
I please,
You're
I
not
just want to go
listening. Get
home.
out.
Please, can you please? Oh my God.
Move outside, or I'm moving
No,
you outside.
No.
Move outside.
I just need a signature to go home. Please, please. No, they not gonna sign it. I just need a signature. I just need a signature. I just need a signature, and I can. They're not trying to pay me.
She's taking it to the next
They not trying to pay me.
What they're saying, because she won't stop breathing. I'm trying to talk to them.
Can you please sign this? Can
me
you
the phone.
sign it?
Give me the phone.
Can you ask somebody
Step
to sign
outside,
it?
and I will talk to
No.
them. Step outside.
No, just ask somebody
This
to
is
please.
all being recorded.
Just please sign it, please.
This is all
I'm
being
begging you to
recorded.
please.
no problem with
Please,
you. You can just calm down.
Please, just sign my
Do you hear
paper,
what he's
please.
saying? He has no problem.
Yes, you do. You know you do. Please, you
Step
please just
outside.
sign
You're
it.
not going anywhere. You
Please,
get that?
please, you do. Give it to the supervisors.
Calm down.
Can you please just sign my paper? You
Grab your
can put
jacket.
Warren Barr, and that's not
Stop.
the name.
Stop.
That's
being
no,
recorded
he's
right now.
cheating. He just cheated. He is cheating. No,
Please step out.
no.
You're being asked.
Ushana stormed out, leaving chaos in her wake. The officer turned to staff, each account darker than the last. And with every word, the weight of assault charges grew heavier.
I say, okay, well, if you on break, you need to leave the floor. I'm watching the resident. So either you're on break or you're watching the resident. So she don't want you to tell her nothing. So I came downstairs to the supervisor.
Into
Oh,
the
we
room,
can.
in the room. Thank you, guys. Let's step in here and close the door.
Now, police are collecting information from the staff members. When the officer questioned Leslie, she revealed how Ushana came at her with threats, forcing staff to shield her. Jernera backed her up, describing the chaos, screaming, cursing, and a refusal to leave that turned the room into danger.
So you said she charged at you?
She did.
So that would be assault if you believe that you were in fear of receiving a battery. A battery is a physical connection where she's going to physically harm you. So do you think it was assault, or is it disorderly conduct where she's disturbing the
No,
peace?
she was getting ready to come. They stood in between her.
Okay.
You know that CNA's name?
Yeah, you shine up out.
Okay. What is your role here? Your rank?
Manager.
Okay.
Manager.
And she is a CNA?
Yes.
And she is like a temp worker that came here for the day, or does she
Yes.
normally come here?
She normally comes here. I've seen her here several times.
So, have you ever had issues with her before?
No.
Okay. And so today what happened?
So today she came in, she was in the hallway, she was on her phone dancing. And I've seen her before. She don't want you to tell her anything, so I really don't say anything. But I was walking around, but she on the floor dancing. So I told her, I was like, you see supervisors walking and you just gonna continue to dance. And that's what she told me, I'm on break. I said, okay, if you're on break, then you need to leave the floor. So then she was like, well, I'm watching the patient. So I said, okay, you gonna watch the patient, or you on break, or you watching the patient? She was like, well, why are you disrespectful, ma'am? I said, I'm not disrespectful. I'm just trying to figure out what you're
My
doing.
name is Conway. That's my star number. This is our non-emergency number at the police station. If you need anything, this is technically assault. This is what it's categorized as, okay?
Okay.
Assault is when somebody threatens to commit a battery, and the person receiving it, who would be receiving the battery, is in fear of receiving that battery, right? So, like, even if she spat at you, that's battery. Like, if there's a physical connection, that's the problem, right? But there was no physical connection, but it was the threat of the physical connection. That's assault.
When the officer spoke with Janera, she described Yushana's screaming and cursing after being asked to leave. Janera confirmed the behavior was unacceptable and posed a threat to staff safety.
My supervisor. She's
But you're- okay.
She's the CNA supervisor.
Okay.
So she's the CNA supervisor.
And
Yes.
from start to finish.
Yes.
Okay. Are you on the phone with clipboard still?
Yes, my supervisor is on the phone with clipboard.
Okay.
Yes.
If I could just get her a middle initial and
Got a boyfriend. She got somebody on FaceTime, and she
who's FaceTiming? Okay, so
she
she's
got somebody on FaceTime right now.
right. And then how are they contacting you?
They're not contacting me, but that's what I'm saying. She told him, whoever is on that phone, what she's gonna do or whatever. And she's talking about my dead grandma and you know what I'm saying, that type of stuff.
So she
And
was doing that during the interaction.
during the elevator. She called
Okay,
him on
okay.
the elevator.
I'm sorry, I thought you were saying that was happening right now, that she's on the phone with somebody and
She's
now her
still on the
boyfriend.
phone with him if he's still on her phone, but
Okay.
that's who she calling up here. It's her boyfriend
Okay.
on that phone. So
Oh, that's why
Just
she
to
probably
be-
told you, why you taking my phone?
Well, there was a phone call coming through, so I don't know if she hung up the phone. There was a
phone
phone
might
call
have
coming
hung
through
up,
when he
but
was
yeah.
trying to sign it, and then she's screaming about what he was signing.
During the officer's interview with Lafayette, he detailed how staff struggled to contain the situation. He confirmed that Yushana's aggression created immediate danger for employees and required swift intervention.
Hi. Do you mind if I get your version of events? I did talk to them. Did you witness the situation from when they were asking her to leave, or did you witness anything prior to
Only
that?
witnessed the last 20 minutes right here.
So how long was this going on?
Honestly, I can't say because they said it started on the second
Okay.
floor. So actually, my receptionist came and said that they called me to the second floor because they were having a situation up there.
Okay.
And then when I told them I was on my way up, but like 5 minutes later, I started hearing her screaming out here. So I came out to try to talk to the CNA. I explained to her like what's going on. She wouldn't stop screaming.
Okay.
She wouldn't. She started cussing me out, and I'm like, listen, I'm trying to help you, but I can't help you if you keep screaming.
Yeah.
She just wouldn't stop screaming.
We witnessed
so then,
that.
She gave me the phone to sign her out, and as I was trying to sign her out, she's just still yelling at me. So I'm like, okay, take the phone. I just need you to leave.
Yeah.
Like at this point, I just need you to leave. And I didn't know that you guys had already been called. But when she started like raising her voice even more, I'm like, someone called the police, and then
Yeah.
that's when they told me that you already had been called.
Okay.
And then like I'm trying to at least get her out the facility because now I have families and everyone
Right.
watching, and she just would not stop.
Okay. So I have you as the executive director. I have the CNA supervisor.
And she is our restorative nurse.
Yes,
which is
thanks,
the nursing
sir.
manager. She's our
MB. Rolling from 40. I don't know if you can copy it, but it's going to be an MB. What'd they say?
90, if they're going to 95, I was told it's an MB, so.
Yeah. Let me run out to my car. We're going to handle this, and I'll get you an incident number if you need that for the
Yes.
organization. I'll be with you in just a second, okay?
So far, we've seen how this workplace incident escalated into shouting, spitting, and threats inside the building. But outside the facility, things got even more intense. Police tried to stop Yushana from leaving, and her refusal only made the situation worse.
What's going on?
I literally didn't do anything. I'm sorry.
I know,
I
you're
literally-
upset. You're upset. I get it.
I literally was upstairs doing my job.
What do you do?
Literally, I'm a CNA. All my residents are clean. I was about to go on break.
Gotcha.
I was about to go on break. I was on break, actually. But
Okay.
one of the residents had to go to the restroom.
It seems like there are personal grudges between them.
Okay.
So the supervisor walked up there immediately on bullshit.
Was that the dude?
That
Someone
was the lady with the ponytail.
Okay.
She like, is this your set? And I'm like, no. And I'm like, I'm on break right now. So she's like, you cannot be right here. I'm like, why you being disrespectful? Literally, this is exactly how it went. I'm like, why is it being disrespectful? She's like a child. Like her and her friend are laughing like they in high school, like they bullying me, like literally like trying to bully me.
Okay.
So I ain't say nothing else. I went to go chart. I'm sitting down charting and they both walk upstairs like, you gotta go home. And I'm like, for what? She like, what you doing? I'm like, charting. She like, you can't chart on your break, go home. Literally just messing with me, like for what?
What time do you get off?
2.
2? Okay.
Yeah, that's so lame, bro.
So you're almost off anyway.
Yes, but that's just so lame.
Hold on.
Now, the police are pursuing her. The suspect refused to provide personal information to law enforcement.
We're not done.
Why?
Because I need to get your story. They called on you. We got to get your information. All
I just
that.
told you I don't want to give y'all my information.
We have to have it.
I don't want to give y'all my information. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm about to go
You're
home.
gonna make this into a bigger thing than
Oh,
it
I
needs
want
to
to
be.
go home. Oh my God! Now they got the police. My name is Yushana Dusapel, and I'm 19, and I'm ready to go home.
Do you have an ID on you?
I know I don't have no ID.
Okay.
I'm ready to go home. But what did I do wrong? I didn't put my hands on nobody. All I did was yell. What did I do wrong? No, because what did I do wrong? I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay,
I just
relax.
told y'all. I'm
just
sorry.
talking
I'm
to
just so irritated right now. I'm
I
sorry.
understand.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Do you want to sit down?
I'm sorry.
We're not gonna fuck with you. We're not
My
gonna
name,
fuck with
I think I got a picture on my ID. That's it. I don't
Okay,
have
that's fine.
I don't have my ID
That's
on me.
no big deal.
you. Just gotta get your.
Like no. Cause man, I didn't just do nothing at all.
How long you working?
I've been working here since like June.
Okay. So it's not like your first day.
Like
So I just got here. Was it like your manager or something?
it was the supervisor. She literally just started messing with me. Like I was on break and I was literally about to go downstairs to start my break. But one of the residents had to go to the restroom. So I took the resident to the restroom and I stood outside her room and let her go to the bathroom. And so she walks up there like, oh, is this your set? And I'm like, no, this is not my set. And she's like, I don't even remember. She's like, well, you're not supposed to be out here, right here on your phone. And I'm like, okay. Well,
You're waiting for the resident.
yes, and I'm like, I'm on break right now. Okay. She was like, well, or whatever. And then she walked up.
In the end, Yushana was banned from Warren Barr for life and given a court date. What began as a simple workplace conflict turned into a criminal charge, legal action, and permanent consequences. This case is a clear reminder that when emotions spiral out of control, the outcome can change your life forever.
Is there somebody that could answer this? Do you want her banned from this location?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to put a criminal trespass on her that if she does come back to this location, even if she comes back in 25 minutes and says, I forgot my headphones or something, right? So if she comes back, she needs to be notified that she cannot come back here. Once she is notified and she still chooses to come back here, she can be arrested for criminal trespass if she comes here and the business is willing to sign complaints.
Okay.
All right?
Are we supposed to contact her and let her know she can't come back, or do you want to do that?
I will do that.
You do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can I please go?
Yeah, I got a ticket for you. You just got to follow up with the Orland Park Court, okay?
Orland Park for what? What I got a ticket for?
Assault.
Assault. I did not touch anyone.
Okay.
I did not assault anybody.
Then you can go to
I
court.
did not
You can
threaten
talk to them.
anybody.
You're screaming right now.
But I did not threaten anybody.
When I was
Well,
on
okay,
scene,
give me the
you-
ticket. Give me the ticket.
You got to sign right here. So you're
Give me
you're
a ticket.
Okay.
Fuck. Shit, irritating.
You just go to the judge and talk to
Give me the
them, okay?
motherfucking ticket.
Okay.
Fuck. Stay in the fucking way.